Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about how to reverse a linked list. So if we consider a linked list like this, which has values like 1, 2, 3 and 4, we need to return this linked list as in a reverse order 4, 3, 2 and 1. How can I do this? So the basic approach we can do in this technique is by using pointer techniques. Like the given linked list values are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this we consider this as the head of the linked list. Firstly we will create a dummy node which I will name it as previous, and the first node we are considering is the head node. So while starting the iteration I would check if head is null or not. So we will consider the loop until the head becomes null. Like that means we take a temporary node variable which is pointing to the head like current. If the current becomes null, we need to end the loop and stop the execution of process. So while starting the while loop, we initialize our current at head in while current not equals to null. We'll check in this. We will assign a new node pointer which is next to current dot next. Like we will create a list node next which is equals to c dot next, which will be represented here. So after that we will write current dot next equals to previous. That means we are connecting the current with the previous node, which will remove the relation between current and next at this, and it will connect to the previous node. So how we can rewrite this? We can write c dot next equals to previous. So after writing this, what we can do, we need to change the pointer from previous to current's position. How can we do this? By assigning previous to current. So after that we will move our current point to next. So this loop will run until our current becomes null. So again the process will continue. The current will goes to next, and again it will check if current is null or not. No, it's not null. So then it will again point the next node here to current dot next, and it will make current dot previous, current to previous, and it will continue until we reach current to null. When we reach current to null, our previous pointer will be at the last node, and our next pointer will be at the null node, null pointer. So after this, all nodes will be pointed in reverse order. So we can achieve 4, 3, 2, 1 in this order. Now let's see this in code. Before writing all the things in from the starting, we can take from the question of Leetcode reverse and I will explain from this. So here what we are doing is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are reversing it and printing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the base condition we will check is if head is equal to null, we need to return null itself, because at the starting there is no head is pointed, then there are no values in it, and we can return it as null. So as I said, we'll mark our previous node at null pointer and our current node at the head pointer. So we will check until current becomes null. Same thing happening here, and we will assign the next to current dot next. We are assigning to here, next we are assigning. This is the previous one. I will explain a single iteration once again. So after this, what we are doing, current dot next equals to pre. Then we are removing this and we are making it to point in backward direction. Then after that, what we are doing, pre is current. We will move previous to current, and then we move current to next. This process continues until our current becomes null. So we will also do for this, we will move next to here and we will point our current to the previous, and we will move our previous to current, and we will move our current to next, and we will move our next to current dot next, and we will again assign current dot next equals to pre. And then again we change our pre to current. We will again assign our current to next. We will mark our, we'll change our next to null, and then we move our previous to here and the current becomes null. When the current becomes null, we will stop the iteration, and when we check this, the nodes are all reversed in the format. So we will return the previous node. So here we can check, we are returning the previous node. After reversing the previous node, the values all will be in reverse order. So this is about the video. Thank you.